Hey everyone. So I was looking for a very specific video of how to change your wiper blades on a Ford Escape 2013 with these Rain X AdvantEdge wipers. And I couldn't find anything. I found stuff that was kind of close and I got through it, but I didn't have the specific one. It would have made me feel better had there been one, so I figured I would just make a video myself. I'm not a car guy or handy by any means, so forgive me if there's stuff I'm saying wrong or don't know. But I've already got this on here, so I'm gonna take it off. So what you do is you push these buttons in, and then this latch is gonna flip, and then I'm just gonna push this a little bit, and then it's gonna slide it. Now, if you'll see on this side, there's a little wing here that you've got to get the thing to sit into. So I'll see if I can do this with one hand again, but the key here is, and they'll come with the instructions on how to take like this cover piece off. But essentially all you got to do is, and you know, there's a lot of wipers that have like the hook, and this is kind of a little bit different. So, but basically what you have to really just make sure is when you're putting this in, just make sure that this part, the little wing sort of aligns with the bottom of the wiper. Make sure that gets in there nice and snug. Once you've got that locked in there, then you can kind of click it up, and then the top of it is just gonna snap. All right, and then now this won't come off unless you push those buttons again. So hope this helps somebody. I wish there was a video like this out for me. I guess I got through it, and I guess a lot of people do. But anyway, maybe it can help somebody. So hopefully this helps. Thanks.